Okay, so we're going to look at another Alien set from Lanard Toys. So I've had the Predator figures and the large Alien Queen and been really impressed by them. They look awful. They look like cheap toys, but so far the articulation's been great, the moulding's been great, the plastic's been hard wearing. So I've got a lot of expectations going into this one that might not be met. Let's have a look at the packaging first. So, Alien Collection, Colonial Marines versus Aliens with extended accessories. I'm not sure what extended accessories mean. At first glance you think, oh, 2 aliens, but no, that's a cardboard cutout. Action articulated figures. He looks quite nicely articulated. Be interesting to see. And then you get, I presume this is meant to be a Colonial Marine. I wish they'd have done them as the ones from the film. This is very generic spacesuited figure. Again, lovely artwork. Let's check the back. So what does it tell us? This is a xenomorph swarm, xenomorph drone. So you've got more of a goldy hue there, which is quite nice. But the actual figure's just orange. With attacking action. Oh, that's interesting. I wonder what the action is. We shall see. Get to know your xenomorph. Yes, you should. They deserve a bit of love. So, egg, facehugger, chestburster, runner, soldier, queen. It's not really the order, is it? But there we go. Oh, it'd be nice if you got the dog tags. I bet you don't. So this is a research scientist. You get an egg and a facehugger. Hello. What are you doing? You want your tea? It's past her tea time. We might have to take a break and go and feed her. You alright? So while I go and feed the cat, I'll also get this out. We'll come back and have a look at the contents. Okay, so got them out of the box. First thing I need to say is I can't find any attacking action on this figure. If anyone knows what that means or whether it should have some sort of like toy action. I thought, oh, is it the teeth come out? But nope, they're glued in and there's nothing behind it. I can't see what the attack in action is. It is a more goldy colour when you get it out, so I quite like it. It's quite metallic. So you get neck on a swivel joint, ball jointed shoulders, no elbows, swivel hands. Actually no, ball jointed hands. That's nice, unusual. You get a sort of chest waist sort of joint. That's quite nice. Ball jointed legs, swivel knees, ball jointed feet. So really poseable. The tail doesn't move. This is superbly poseable. Yeah, really nice. I've been just steadily impressed with the Lanard figures. Great toys just thrown away with cheap ass packaging and stuff. Let's have a look at the facehugger. So again, nice little egg. Slightly weirdly off center. And then you get a facehugger. So I don't know, I thought that might spring and that's the attack in action, but no. The detail on the facehugger, I might paint this because there's a bit of wash on this. Look at it, it's really nicely done. Here comes the cat. Again, hidden behind lack of paint apps. This is a scientist, so he looks a bit drugged up. I don't think the helmet comes off. It doesn't appear to. I will try again in a second. So he's got ball jointed shoulders, swivel biceps, cut joint on his elbows, and nothing on the wrists. Look at those chubby fingers. Nothing on the waist, and he's got cut joint hips, cut joint knees, which I quite like, the bendy flexy pipe. You see it. Nothing on the feet, Again, probably could do with a decent paint job. He's got quite a nice bit of detail. The gun, the flame is just cardboard. Sort of pulse rifle-esque flame unit. I'm presuming the gun must stick on there, but I can't see any hole. Let's get the cardboard off it and see if the gun... I mean, what else would go on there? Oh, unless he's meant to have another pipe and it's missing. I'm going to see if I can get the helmet off, and then we'll come back and sort of sum this up. Okay, so the helmet does come off. Quite a nice clear helmet. Pops on and off. I wish it had been a Nostromo suit. Oh, that would have been good. And then weirdly, the head is on a ball joint, a bit like the old Fisher-Price people. This figure is definitely cheaper than the Alien. There's no holes in this, so I don't know whether on other sets this leg is used for something different. I've only ever seen this set. So an interesting figure. Look at them eyes. Oh dear, he's seen some sights, hasn't he? Quite a nice sculpt. Wish it had been movie accurate. So yeah, so he's a bit of a letdown, but the Alien, oh, it's gorgeous. So poseable. Again, wish they'd have done it in sensible colours. Even just black would have been nice. But for this scale, certainly the most poseable Alien I've ever seen. You can get him to do anything like that. Very good. And the facehugger's a bit of a bonus. So all in all, a nice set. These were drastically reduced in Smythe's toys. Probably getting rid of the range. They only seem to be carrying the Queen in their new catalogue. So if you see these, I'd grab them. If I saw another one, I'd probably grab it to paint up. Although I imagine this plastic is quite soft. I'm not sure it would take paint. No! So you can do lots of things with him. Oh, bless him, he's died. Yeah, so another surprisingly good set from Lanard. I imagine they've lost the license now. I imagine these didn't sell very well because they look horrible. But hiding underneath that is some quality toys. What a shame, what a missed opportunity. But look, he's caused a green cloud to form. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you can. And if you want to see more Aliens toys, let me know. I've got quite a few up on a shelf. My shelves are getting too full, you know. But thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.